Have you ever considered owning an automotive specialty business? Owning an alloy wheel repair specialist franchise is a lucrative opportunity for the right person. First, alloy wheel repair specialist is a low entry cost business. You can start your own franchise for as little as $60,000 and financing options are available. Second, mobility is key. You bring your services directly to auto body shops, car dealers, and more. You create recurring revenue through a constant flow of customers from these auto dealers, repair shops, and insurance claims who book your business for you. And let's talk uniqueness. Specializing in alloy wheel and repair sets you apart. For customers, it's a cost-effective solution. Repairing a wheel costs around $150, while replacing it can set them back $600 to $1,200. You save them money, they immediately get your value. Long-term sustainability remains a plus. More cars on the road than ever before means more wheels to repair. High margins are another benefit. With low product costs and labor accounting for just 30% to 40% of revenue, and average revenue exceeds $430,000. You'll have recurring revenue from auto body shops and large used car dealers who need your service and constantly send business your way. No sales experience is necessary, as other businesses will sell your services for you. Finding new business is straightforward. Auto dealers and repair shops always need wheels repaired and rely on you. It's easy to learn. Our excellent training program will have you expertly repairing wheels within months. Proprietary systems lead to little competition, creating high demand and profitable pricing. And finally, the high growth potential means you can expand into new territories and mobile units. Interested in learning more? Visit alloywheelfranchise.com.